Later on, know even this night, saith the Lord, that it is I, saith God, that's knocking at thy heart's door. And yea, I say unto thee this night, turn me not away. Yea, for I am showing thee mercy even this night, saith the Lord. And I say, if thou wilt come unto me, if thou bow before me, saith God, I the Lord thy God, shall forgive thee of all thy sins, and I'll make thee whole, saith God. And thou shalt not be the same ever again, saith the Lord. Yea, but I say unto thee this night, if you push me away and deny me, saith God, then much suffering shall come thy way, and I will not be there, saith the Lord. Amen.